Tracking your time can be hard, but AI tools make it easy. In this video, you will learn how AI can help you track your time automatically, so you stay productive without extra effort. What is AI time tracking? AI time tracking uses smart technology to monitor how you spend your time on tasks and projects. It works in the background, recording your activities without you needing to start or stop a timer. Benefits of using AI time trackers. Save time by not tracking manually. Get accurate reports of your work hours. Understand where your time goes. Improve your productivity and focus. Automatically categorize tasks without extra input. Popular AI time tracking tools. Rescue Time tracks websites and apps you use and gives you detailed reports. Toggle Track with AI features. Offers automatic tracking suggestions based on your activity. Clockify AI detects your work patterns and suggests time entries automatically. Timely by Memory uses AI to record your work across devices and organizes your time. How to use AI time trackers. Sign up and install the AI time tracking tool on your computer or phone. Allow the tool to access your activity data, websites, apps, documents. The AI runs in the background and tracks your time automatically. Check your dashboard daily or weekly to see where your time was spent. Use reports to plan your day better and focus on important tasks. Tips for best results. Keep the tracker running during work hours. Review the AI's automatic task categories and correct if needed. Set goals in the tool to stay motivated. Combine AI tracking with regular breaks for better productivity. AI tools make time tracking simple and accurate. By using these tools, you can save time, reduce stress, and work smarter. Try an AI time tracker today and see how it changes your work routine. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more easy productivity tips. Comment below if you want a tutorial on any AI tool. Thanks for watching.